Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zoom for video conferencing step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in zoom.us in the address bar. Hit enter to navigate to the Zoom website. Click on the sign up, it's free button if you do not have an account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Once logged in, locate the Schedule a Meeting option. Fill in the meeting details, including the topic, date, and time. Adjust the meeting settings as needed, such as enabling video and audio options. Click the Save button to finalize the meeting setup. You will be redirected to a page with your meeting information. Copy the invitation link provided. Open your email or messaging app to share the link with participants. To start the meeting, go back to the Zoom website and sign in. Find your upcoming meetings in the Meetings tab. Click Start next to the meeting you want to begin. If prompted, download the Zoom application if you have not already. Allow any necessary permissions for camera and microphone access. Once in the meeting, familiarize yourself with the controls. You can mute or unmute yourself using the microphone icon. Share your screen by clicking the Share Screen button. Choose the screen or application you want to share and click Share. Use the chat feature to communicate with participants during the meeting. When the meeting is complete, click the End Meeting button. Confirm that you want to end the meeting for all participants. Your session will conclude, and you'll return to the Zoom app or website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.